Guys, I cannot say enough about this Victrix Pro BFG controller for Xbox. This controller is absolutely amazing. But before we unbox it, I just wanted to mention that the price for it is changing often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description of this video and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here. So excited to be with you today. Today we are unboxing the Victrix Pro BFG Xbox controller. All right, now on the inside of the box, you can see we're presented here with the case for the controller. This is going to be a really nice high quality and heavy duty case to protect the controller when we're not using it. If we go ahead and remove the case, we can see down at the bottom, there are some instructions, but these are all the components right here in this case. All right, this is the case right here, and let's go ahead and unzip it and take a look at the controller on the inside. We're gonna go ahead and open up the top of the case, and there is the controller with all the components that come along with it. And I am so impressed. It looks so nice and premium and really high quality. Now, the first thing I'm noticing about this case is just how nice and high quality it is. We actually have a pocket up here storing our cable here. You can see this is a USB-A to USB-C cable right here, and it is a nice long cable in a braided style, which means it's gonna be a nice high quality cable. Next, you can see we have one of the button modules here. This is covered in plastic to protect the buttons on it, but this is really unique to this controller because you can actually go ahead and just remove this and replace it with this module if you would like to customize your controller. Below that, we have our USB dongle, which we'll go ahead and plug directly into the Xbox. And then we have two different attachment rings to go ahead and fit the joysticks. All right, now let's take a look at the controller itself here. First off, you can feel it does have a little bit of weight to it, which is really nice and high quality. Some of the cheaper end controllers are very lightweight, and I don't like that. I like a controller with a little bit of weight to it. And just off the weight alone, you can feel that this is going to be a very durable controller. Now, if we take a close look here, you can see we've got our two joysticks right here. We've got our buttons over here on the right and our D-pad or our arrow pad right down there. We've got our triggers and our bumpers right there, a USB-C charging port there, as well as an aux port at the bottom. Now on the back, you do have your different paddles and switches here. You can see there's actually two sets of paddles on either side, which rest really nicely where my fingers lay, and I really like that a lot. You can also see switches. These are going to be your trigger stops here. So if you can see, the trigger is fully pulled, and if I go ahead and switch this over, it's going to tighten up to a click. As I said, those paddles really lie exactly where my fingers fall, and I like that fact a lot. It makes it feel so comfortable to hold this controller in my hand. I also really think the joysticks have a nice sluggish feel to them, which I really like. I don't like those really fast joysticks, but you can make tweaks and adjustments, and let me show you what else is included in this case. Now you can see down here at the bottom, we actually have a screwdriver to make individual adjustments to this controller, as well as different size and height joysticks, as well as customizable D-pad. So if you want to go ahead and switch out the D-pad, you certainly can with these customizable ones. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the most premium high quality controller I have ever touched in my life. It is absolutely amazing, and I cannot recommend it enough. So if you haven't yet, be sure and check out that link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. I really think it's a fantastic, incredible, customizable controller, and I highly recommend it.